Diagnosis of infertility can be a sad time for any family. You are ready to start a family, and suddenly you are told that you are infertile. Your whole world crashes in front of you. There are several causes for infertility, such as your lifestyle, smoking, drinking, and other health factors. The best way to prevent it is to look for the early signs of infertility and take the necessary act. The first symptom of infertility is the inability to get pregnant. There are many signs of infertility, and some of them are irregular menstrual cycle, obesity, excessive hair growth, etc. Early signs of infertility that you should make yourself aware of include hormonal imbalance. For many women, the first sign of infertility is abnormal periods, lack of ovulation, caused by increased levels of male hormones called androgens. For men, loss of sexual urge, reduced hair growth, and sexual performance are signs of infertility. These symptoms are caused by hormonal imbalance. If you are a woman about 30 and experiencing absence of period for 6 months, then you should consult a doctor. PCOS and infertility, polycystic ovarian syndrome, is a condition in women that occurs when your body produces excessive amounts of insulin and male hormones called androgens. Increase in the level of male hormone automatically affects the rate of female hormones. As a result, eggs do not mature and form small cysts called polycysts. Miscarriages. If the fetus dies before 140 days of the gestation, then it is called a miscarriage. Studies show that 30% of women suffer early miscarriages without knowing that they have conceived. Rarely, genetic problems and other issues may also lead to miscarriage. If a woman has repeated miscarriages, then she should go to a gynecologist. Severe menstrual cramps. Menstrual cramps may not be painful, but along with cramps, you may experience an infection or some hormonal changes. This may lead to problems in conceiving. The menstrual cramps may be as a result of uterine tumors, PCOS, and endometriosis. Visit a gynecologist and have a reproductive system checkup. Overweight. Sometimes when you are overweight, it can have an impact on fertility. Women who are very thin may not have enough nutrients to carry a pregnancy full term. Overweight women do experience a hormonal imbalance, which causes an ovulation. There are other reasons which need to be taken seriously. Pelvic inflammatory disease, fibroids, stenosis of the cervix, and endometriosis are some other signs of infertility. You will be glad to know that there are many treatments and medications available for infertility. Some of them are prescription medications, and some of them are procedures such as in vitro fertilization, acupuncture techniques, natural remedies, etc. Acupuncture for infertility. Acupuncture treatment is an effective method for treating PCOS and infertility. Sharp needles are inserted into specific parts of the body, and they rebalance the flow of energy called ki and restore health. In vitro fertilization. This procedure includes surgical removal of eggs from the ovaries of a woman. The eggs are matured in a test tube. The matured egg is then fertilized with the partner's sperm. After the fertilization process, the embryo is implanted into the woman's uterus and has the chance to develop naturally. Infertility can be prevented, and the chances of getting it cured are much better if it is detected early. It is up to you to educate yourself on the causes of infertility and take precautionary measures, which are given above, to prevent it. Knowing the signs of infertility, although is helpful but not enough. Chances are, you will still need to have some sort of prevention and cure knowledge on infertility. If you want to know more about combating infertility in natural ways, you might be interested in www.goforpregnancy.miracle.com. There, you will also discover how you can pregnant naturally even though your doctor says you suffer infertility. A lot of people have benefited from it, and you certainly don't want to miss out. Find out more yourself on how to increase fertility by natural means.